I've made about 25 or 30 aces in my life, and this is how you do it. Not the ace, but this is how I throw. What I do is I just take one finger here, like so. Your thumb right here, index is right here, and then middle finger right here. This is what I do, is I throw and I'll adjust my arm slot and then my wrist slot here, because sometimes you'll throw too high and it'll cause it to go left when it catches air. So this is something how it looks here. Back up, get a little juice. See, and the slot will just come right back and just go right in, imagine. It's like right a little over the pin. But it also depends on where the wind is at, you know? So let's go again. And different discs, right? So I'm just hucking and chucking. That was a little left. You can see it's gonna start to veer, see that? But like, that's like, I don't know, 15 feet from the hole.
How to Frisbee golf with Fry Guy.
The red one, that's like 15 feet or so. And then the white one, probably 12 feet. Let's see if we can make this sucker with my backpack on. Yeah. Oh, I'm so good. Don't worry, we'll just edit that to go in. We're perfect, okay. We're perfect. All right, here's the white one. A little bit of zoom, a little zoom and gloom. One thing I was gonna say is, if you guys are struggling to get consistency, don't move your arm slot and your wrist and everything at once. Just move one thing at a time and evaluate where it went. Try to recreate that same thing with just 1 degree changes, and that should help.